Good morning dear students, welcome to ORC class. As we completed our 5 stories, so from today we will start our revision. Dear kids, as we already done story 1 in the test, so today we will revise story 2. Firstly, we will revise the reading, then we memorize the questions. Let's read the story 2. Lesson 2. Two little dicky birds. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall, one named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Dear kids, now it's your turn to revise reading on book page number 14. Now let's read the questions. Let's revise question 1. Where does the parrot sit? Answer: the parrot sits in a tree. The parrot sits in a tree. Question number 2. What is the parrot called? The parrot called is Polly. Dear kids, the parrot is called Polly. Students, now it's your homework to memorize these 2 questions and revise reading on book page number 14. Allah Hafiz.